Fine boy. You know.
Stop it. I like it.
Would you like to, you know?
Why not? I want to eat. Stop it.
You know.
Hey. How much?
5K, you know.
5,000 for just the,
Yeah.
No, it's too expensive. What's the last?
Okay. 4K, you know.
Stop it, I like it. Stop it, I like it. Okay, see what will happen then. We'll go inside. Let me go and eat. But you just sit down somewhere, then after I finish it, we'll go and, stop it, I like it. Let's go. Waiter!
Good afternoon.
I want to eat.
Okay, what would you like?
I want rice, white rice and chicken.
White rice and chicken. Okay, that's 12,000, sir.
Eh?
That's 12,000 naira, sir.
12, just white rice and chicken. I don't eat stew.
Yes, sir. 12,000, sir.
12,000.
Yes, sir.
How much is the white rice?
White rice is 4,000. Chicken is 8,000. That's 12,000, sir.
White rice 4,000.
Yes, sir.
Chicken 8,000. Is it full chicken?
No, sir.
How much is full chicken?
The full chicken is 12,000, sir.
12,000.
Yes, sir.
Chicken don't cost pass a shawo.
I'm sorry, sir. That's how we sell here. I'm sorry.
So you will say here 8,000. Okay, leave the chicken. Just wait, baby. Come, just bring your chair, sir. Bring your chair. See, give me white rice,
Okay.
I go use a shawo chopper.
Say what's up?
Give me white rice, I go use a shawo chopper. White rice and a shawo. Stop it, I like it. Walk sorry, yo. See, my mama say anybody we go a shawo papa burial na in-law. You understand? Because nobody know who they patronize and who need they patronize. You understand me? Now my mama still say a shawo we newly come area na virgin because nobody know. You understand me? The only thing we are now you don't see that girl with us newly come this area. You know why? Because a shawo we dress bed for morning, now then they consider as wife material. Hey. Odogu easy. You see, who has ear should hear the other. If you cannot hear the other, you see this man. I be now like and share the video you just watched. I be your boy now. Sorry.